Hi, this is Amelie. Today I just want to show you how I paint these sides. Usually I wrap around, but sometimes I forget. So then I just pick a color that would look nice and I just do the sides. I usually use this type of sponge brush. I've got a little bit of my black paint here. And I just put it down. Just want to get into these. Then I just put it down and I take it along the edges. And usually you don't go over the front because this is flat. But if I maybe make a mistake, I've just got a wet rag or a sponge and I just wipe it off. And that's how I paint my edges. I go usually 2 or 3 coats. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'll see you next time.